आमचे public lighting आसा, you know, this GSIDC has done on the bridges, Karona, Kalvi, Korsue, Aldona, these bridges and many other bridges in Goa, they are under GSIDC. So the lighting also is done by GSIDC. Now every time आमी phone केल जाल्यार light ना जाल्यार कितें power failure जाल्यार तेजेर, so we phone the electricity department, मागीर ते म्हणटात it's not handed over to us, it is with GSIDC. So I met CM with in this on it because under the Goa Public Lighting Duty Act, under Section 7, within 1 month of the enforcement of that act, all the public lighting has to be handed over to the electricity department. So I pointed out in my letter that this act was enforced on 15th April or 5th April in 2002. A course cross zala, mai zala, and till today they are still debating on giving it to electricity department or not to give. And I know there are 9 bridges which GSIDC has control of, and there is a proposal to conduct a survey, and they are requiring that the lighting should be given in working condition. So I dakwela CM that under the law, all the public installations, electrical installations, have to be handed over. But in the rule 3, Sukon Kaila in working condition. So rule cannot be contrary to the act. So CM agreed with me and he said, no, we will expedite this, we will immediately get this transferred. So I'm happy that these 2 things have been outcome.